In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Microsoft Project. This quick adjustment can make your schedules clearer, reduce confusion across regions, and keep your reports consistent. Whether you prefer day-month-year, month-day-year, or a format that spells out the month, you can set it once and see it across your views in Project. Start by opening Microsoft Project and looking to the very top left of the window. Click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you manage settings for the application rather than the content of your current plan. On the left-hand side of this view, scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Options. This opens the Project Options dialog, where you control how Project looks and behaves. Inside the Project Options dialog, click General on the left panel. The General section contains display and interface preferences you're likely to use most often. In the main area on the right, look for the section labeled Project View. Within that section, find the Date Format drop-down. Open the Date Format drop-down to see a list of predefined styles. Each option shows an example so you can quickly understand how dates will appear. For instance, DD G places the day first, then the month, then the year, which is common in many parts of the world. If you want something more readable at a glance, MMMD uses a three-letter month abbreviation, like SEP 15-2026, which avoids confusion between day and month. Some formats include the day of the week, which can be helpful for planning meetings or milestones. Choose the format that matches your regional standard or your team's preference. Picking a clear, unambiguous style can prevent misinterpretation when sharing plans with others. Once you've selected your preferred format, click OK to save. Project immediately applies the change, and you'll see it reflected across your views, such as the Gantt chart, task and resource tables, and printed or exported reports. This change affects how dates are displayed. It doesn't alter any actual scheduling data, durations, or calendars. If you ever want to switch formats again, simply return to File, choose Options, open General, and select a different entry from the Date Format drop-down. That's all it takes. By setting a consistent date format, you make your plans easier to read and share, which helps your team stay aligned and avoids costly misunderstandings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider applying the same approach whenever you standardize other display settings in your projects.